Oh my god, we have to talk about Paddy's Caribbean episode 3. I just woke up and I watched it when I wake up and oh my god, it's fucking hilarious. But let's talk about the Bianca versus and Safar situation. I love Safar and I love her dearly and but it's so funny when Bianca threw her wig into the toilet bowl like like that's so fucked up but it's so funny. And Scott when Scotty and Takeshi go to the room with Mar- Mariah Lynn, g- comedy gold for me. And guys, this is it. We have to talk about Jaylas and Big Gretch. Big fight. Like ass whooping. Jayla's ass whooping. This is not a body show. This is Jayla's show. This is Mo- this is Jayla's show. It's Jayla's show. It's Jayla's show. Right? It's Jayla's show. Like Jayla whooped that ass so I was screaming all the time and when she yelled another N word after he apologized, she just slapped him like oh that that's it. Gretchen, you're done. You're done. Like mm-mm. Mm. The Tinkerbellas and the Diamond the Body fight is kind of good, but I was expecting more from Diamond the Body, but Tinkerbella is eating her ass. Tinkerbella so funny. It's like a comedian. And when she crawled when she crawled to the guard like oh my god. He is so unhinged. I love her for that. And special mention to Diaz and Slim to Bad. Like I love them so much. And Meatball, you're my girl. You're my goal. You're my girl, Meatball. You're my girl, Meatball. Please be be not be a follower, okay? I love you. I love you. But that is my review on Paddy's Caribbean episode 3. So see you on Monday or Sunday on your screen.